everybody and welcome back to my channel. One of the most important part of makeup for any Indian woman is the kajal. Many of my friends just wear a kajal and a lip balm and go to work without any foundation or any other kind of makeup. That's how important kajal is to us. However, one problem that cuts across all Indian women who wear kajal is that it leaks and smudges over a period of time. This is because of the hot and humid weather in India, which leads to ashy and grey under eyes, completely ruining the look. Today, I am going to share with you some simple tips which will help you make your kajal smudge proof and leak proof and make it last longer. So let's get started. For any makeup, the prep is crucial. The prep can make or break the teeth. So here comes my first tip. You can wrap an ice cube in a piece of cloth or in cotton and rub around your eyes. In case you find the ice cubes too cold, you can also dip a cotton pad in ice cold water and gently place it on your eyes. This helps in calming the nerves around the eyes and will also help in case you have sensitive and watery eyes. Tip number 2 is to always moisturize your under eyes. If you do not have an eye cream, you could use any moisturizing lotion and apply it with your ring finger with minimum pressure. Spread it evenly, and in case you have oily lips and under eyes, you can use a dry tissue and wipe out the excess. The next and the most important tip is to apply a concealer on your under eyes. The concealer not only prevents your kajal from leaking, but it also covers your under eye darkness and also offsets the kajal in such a way that it will look a little darker. The next step is to set the concealer with a powder. This prevents the concealer from getting rubbed off. Always remember to use a loose powder. Do not use a pressed powder. The eyes are now ready for the kajal application. You can use any kajal of your choice. I am going to use the Faces Magneteyes kajal. If you are going to directly go ahead with applying the kajal at this point, you are definitely going to smudge your kajal. So here comes my tip number 5. Use a cotton pad or a puff to gently pull down the lower lid and expose the waterline. You can now go ahead with applying the kajal in gentle small strokes. The sixth and final tip will help you lock the kajal in place. Take any black eyeshadow and use a flat brush to gently place the black eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And those are some of the things that I do to make my kajal smudge proof and leak proof. You can use the same tips for any other colored eye pencil. Just remember to replace the black eyeshadow with an eyeshadow of the same color as your pencil. Do try these tips the next time you apply kajal and let me know how much of a difference it has made to you. And also let me know which particular tip did you find most useful. I will be leaving the details of all the products that I have used in this video. However, like I always say, the techniques of usage is more important than the products. Please like and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.